All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got this laptop all taken apart, and if y'all do remember from the previous video, this is the laptop of the customer that we fixed the previous laptops for before. We fixed 2 laptops for this customer before, and since then, he brought us in 3 more systems for us to fix. And this is just one of the 3 that we've taken apart so far. And the issue that arises with this laptop is it kept going into the preparing automatic repair screen where it wouldn't even load into Windows and allow me to do things and interact with the OS or user interface, but instead it would just kept doing the preparing automatic repair tool of Windows, and then it would go to the blue screen where it would be the troubleshoot screen, and then it would just keep doing that over and over again. It wouldn't actually allow me to get in and do things. So that's the issue that arises with this one. And what I'm gonna do, instead of actually trying to boot into Windows off of this laptop, is I'm going to plug this drive into either a working machine I have, and I'm going to test it. It's currently 9:43 at night right now. We're still in the lab with it, as y'all can tell. We're probably gonna end up calling it quits real soon though, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad tired. And I have done most of the work that I was supposed to be doing today anyways. There's not much more to do for today. I mean, we got all 3 of these systems all broken down. We got this one over here, that's that Lenovo one. We got the newer HP one over here with the bad hard drive. And then over here, we have the older HP one over here. Now this older HP one, I haven't gave y'all a rundown of what's good with this. Basically, what's good with this one is we don't have a charger for it. Therefore, we can't turn it on. We can't run any diagnostics, any tests, anything like that, because we can't turn it on. But I still did go ahead and tear it down because we are going to be upgrading it nonetheless. You feel me? This one over here, this older HP one, we're gonna do pretty much the same we've been doing with all of them. Swap out the HDD for an SSD, and then upgrade some of the RAM right here to some faster speed RAM, and then, you know, also gonna double the size of the RAM as well. So this had about, what, I think it was 4 gigs of DDR3, so we're either gonna do 8 or 16. So we currently in the room with it right now. We got some tunes on over there. Let's actually walk over here real quick, because we got the fireplace on. That's nice and cozy vibes right there. We got the music on the TV, the tunes and whatnot. You feel me? I just, you feel me, bust down and play the mac and cheese I have right there. Like this real quick. You feel me? Come over here. This is where we previously left off. I'm pretty sure y'all remember this if y'all watched the video before this. If y'all haven't, go watch that. Y'all will know what happened more in that video. Head up in the laboratory with it though. Over this way. And if y'all recall, y'all don't know what's wrong with these systems and y'all want to know, well, go watch part 1. I'll throw it up on screen right now. All right, so over this way, we got the other customer's machine right here that we are going to fix. And then over here to the right, we have, y'all see what we got. We got some packages and whatnot. You feel me? We've been had these packages. I kind of already pre-opened one. I already know what this is. This is a charger for this laptop over here, because this is the laptop that did not have a charger. You feel me? And without a charger, we can't turn the bit on. So, yeah, that's that. Some RAM, some SSDs and whatnot, some more thermal paste, because just why not? This machine over here is the easiest to fix as of right now. All I have to do is throw in an SSD and then RAM, and then pop the battery back in and then charge it up a little bit. Since this one is the easiest, we're mainly just gonna focus on this one as of right now. Oop, we got a new charger right here. Yeah, guy right here. Plug him in. Let's see if we get any power. Oh, yo, wait, hold on. We dead ass got power. Yo, this is crazy. All right, so I rephrased my statement. Instead of the laptop turning on, we do have power lights, and it is on. In fact, right now, I hear the fan spinning and I feel it on right now from the vibrations. And when I press the power button, the fan ramped up fairly loud. You feel me? So it's on, but it's just not giving me any display or anything like that. This one right here could be a kind of a tricky one, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna keep doing my research on this. I'm gonna keep testing new theories and shit like that. And I'm gonna just, you feel me, keep doing everything in my power to try to get a display on this laptop. As of right now, we have nothing. I'm gonna take this HDMI cable I got sitting right over here and plug that into this laptop, and from this laptop into my monitor. I just wanna see if there's any change, if we get any video signal, any Windows logo, any display, anything like that, you feel me? So let's do that. So this is a little weird, you feel me? But for some reason, I just had a HDMI plugged in to the HDMI port and then into my monitor, and I went to go turn it on and it booted up. Hey, nonetheless though, we are in the operating system of this laptop, and just to see what we got in here so far for the processor, we have an AMD Teron 2 P540 dual core processor. For the memory, we have 4 gigabytes of DDR3 memory. For the hard drive, we have this Western Digital hard drive. It's a 300 gigabyte hard drive. Hey, without wasting any more time though, let's start the actual teardown for this laptop. Let's get it. So we got Windows 10 currently installing right now on that USB drive. It's at like 60% right now, not too far away from being done. From there on, we're gonna take that USB drive, plug it into this laptop, and then boot from that drive and install Windows 10 onto this SSD. Yeah. Now next we just need that Windows screen, that purple Windows screen, and we know we successful, gang. Yep, we about to be there. This is blinking. That's typically what it means. It's about to boot from that USB drive. Yeah, we got a little loading circle, gang. Yeah, we got that purple Windows screen. Let's get Windows installed. It's a good time to catch y'all back up to where we currently are with progress right now. We are currently transferring the files from the old hard drive that came out of this laptop or here. This is the old hard drive, and this is the new solid state drive over here. We got to transfer all of the files or duplicate everything from this hard drive onto the solid state drive. Over here, take this, unplug that, this right in there, boom. update, we got both of these laptops over here up and running. This is the HP one I showed you guys earlier. This is the newer HP one though. And then this is that Lenovo laptop over here. Both of these laptops are really good. And actually, a little fun fact about this HP laptop, this one is actually touchscreen, bro. I did not know that until I was just randomly doing something on this laptop one day. And then I went to go touch it, and then it started interacting with what I was doing on the screen, bro. And then I also didn't notice until I went in the settings and looked at the system information, and then it said that this was a touchscreen device. So, like, yeah, that's interesting, bro. I haven't never had a touchscreen laptop before, I don't think. That's cool, though. Very responsive for the most part, though. Like, very, very responsive. Check this out. Click on that. Yo, we got 16 gigabytes of RAM installed in here, a 500 gigabyte SSD, and I'm telling you, those two upgrades alone right there made this laptop blazing fast. I mean, look at how fast this just loads up videos and web pages and things like that. Come on now. Same deal with this Lenovo over here. This is not touchscreen, unfortunately, but it is still very responsive. Like, look, we go click on the next page and it's already loading up. It's not as fast as this one over here, but it is still very responsive. This has 8 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD installed in it. We got the task manager open on both of those, so y'all can take a look at what CPU is in there. Celeron processor in this Lenovo one, and then in this HP one, we got an i3 processor, the i3 5th gen processor. But see, the crazy thing about this HP one is I actually got Windows 11 to run on this laptop, and it's insanely responsive, like not laggy at all, only using 2% of the CPU as of right now, idling. I know the customer is gonna be real excited about that because he asked me if Windows 11 was compatible with any of these laptops. And I told him, probably not, no, but we will find out. I know this Lenovo laptop was definitely not compatible with it. I tried, it was running slow, horribly, not compatible at all. Then the other HP laptop we have, this laptop over here was not compatible with Windows 11. This is that older HP laptop, and it's currently taken all apart right now and not running like the other two are because we still, in fact, need a couple pieces for this, which should be in the mail by tomorrow. So yeah, keep watching to stay updated with that. Alright, so currently we have this HP laptop all loaded up. We are currently doing the recovery process and transferring over all of the personal files onto this USB drive. So that way, once we install Windows, we can transfer everything right back. Simple, easy, and fast. All right, so now at this point, this would be a good time to call up the customer and be like, yo, we got your systems up and running. We got your laptops running. You could come pick them up whenever you want, for real. Customer is on the way for both of these systems right now. I'll pop up messages of the conversation, but it's time to get these laptops turned off and put them in a bag and hand them off to the customer.